Hey environmental science students, we're going to be using data and graphs to calculate an average rate of change, specifically an average growth rate of a population. And this is a really helpful skill for analyzing any graphical data. So first, you'll need to identify the type of growth. So you'll see there's a graph here and we have some choices of what type of growth it is. This one is an exponential growth because you can see that it starts out low and then it rapidly increases as the years proceed. But you'll see other ones where we have this one, a logistic growth curve, where it's S-shaped, so it levels off. So that one is logistic growth. And then linear growth is the third option, where it's just a straight line. So let's go back to that original data set. Next, we're going to use the years that you're asked about to determine the bottom of the formula. We have a final year minus the original year to find the average growth rate. So growth rate from year 40 to year 100. We're going to put the final first and then the original number second. And that will give us the denominator of the formula. And you might notice that this formula looks familiar. This is actually how we calculate slope between 2 points. So even though this is not a straight line, it's an exponential growth curve, we can still find the average rate of change as if it's a line between 2 points. So now we'll hover over the graph to find the Y value of population at those years. So when we look at year 40, we can see number of individuals in this population. This is just a generic population. It could be people, it could not be. 576 individuals, and then at year 100, we'll hover on the graph and see, so this is right at the end of the graph, 3,600, perfect. So we'll put those numbers in, and then you can just go over to a calculator on the side. You can just actually type it into during one step if you have the Desmos calculator. So I just typed it all in one step on Desmos and I got 50.4 over here. This is the same calculator that's available on the Bluebook app for the AP exam, so it's a good tool to practice with. And so then we have our population growth rate of 50.4 individuals per year. That's our average growth rate of the population. Hope that helps.